Hello everyone, Namaskar. How are you? Today we are going to discuss about the construction of quadrilateral in the chapter Practical Geometry. Before starting the construction of quadrilateral, we should know some basic properties and concept of the quadrilateral. So here we will uh, discuss about the quadrilaterals. First of all, we should know the elements of quadrilateral. So you can see I sketched one quadrilateral ABCD, and it is also needed as a rough diagram according to your given questions. So whenever you start the construction, first of all read the question carefully and understand the condition, and according to your question draw the rough diagram of the quadrilateral according to the given information. From that you will get some idea how can you construct the quadrilateral very easily. So let us understand and know the basic concept. So ABCD is a quadrilateral in which there are some elements. So elements of a quadrilateral, in this quadrilateral you know four sides like AB, BC, CD and DA, and four integral angles, angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. Along with there are two diagonals AC and BD. So there are total 10 elements. You can see also there are total 10 elements. For the construction of a quadrilateral, we need at a time 50% elements under following conditions. There are some defined and specific condition. Under that we have to construct the quadrilateral. So first condition is that if we have four sides and one diagonal of a quadrilateral, we can construct it very easily. Second condition is that when we have two diagonals and three sides, you can see two diagonals and three sides means there are 5 elements. 5 means 5 out of 10 means 50%. And the third one is two adjacent sides. Adjacent side means they have common vertex. And three angles. Here three angles means three interior angles. And fourth condition is three sides and two included angle. Angle between two sides is known as included angle. So in fourth condition, we should have three sides and two included angle. In this condition, we can construct the quadrilateral very easily according to the procedure. And the fifth condition is that there are some special defined quadrilaterals are there like parallelogram, rhombus, square, rectangles, etc. Whenever information given about special quadrilateral, then we have to apply their specific property to construct the quadrilateral. So this is the basic concept that we have to keep in our mind before starting the construction of the quadrilateral. So let us discuss the procedure of construction under first condition. this is our first condition. So under first condition, when we have four sides and one diagonal in the question, then our first step should be drawing out rough sketch. Drawing a rough sketch. So you have to draw a rough sketch, just like P, Q, R, S. This is not our actual construction. This is rough sketch, and we have to indicate the informations from the questions in this diagram. Suppose we have the four sides P, Q, R, S, something, and two diagonals. Out of two diagonals, we have one diagonal. So indicate like that, and write the measures from the questions. After that, in step 2, take any side as base. So suppose we take PQ as base here. So draw PQ with the help of ruler, and according to the given measures. Suppose this is 8 centimeter. After that, you can see here the triangle PQR has three sides, PQ, QR and RP. In this condition, we have all these three measures. So after PQ, we can draw QR according to the given measure. So take your compass and adjust QR and draw an arc. After that, take RP and draw, and similarly complete the construction. So in this way, we can construct the quadrilaterals according to the given measures and condition. So in the next video, we will construct a quadrilateral according to the given measures and condition. So thank you.